Every watt saved, every habit changed, every commitment made, when multiplied by millions, has the power to uplift communities and create lasting change.
Kapag kayo ay nagtipid ng kuryente, hindi lang para sa inyong bulsa, kung hindi para sa ating kalikasan kasi tinitipid din natin yung ating resources.
Kung hindi naman po ginagamit yung kuryente or pinapatay ko po yung ilaw namin.
Pag pupunta kami ng palengke, lalakad na lang kami since malapit lang naman.
Sweeping the floor instead of using the vacuum.
Parang pinopromote nila na hindi gumamit ng mga plastic.
As students, I encourage you to learn and ask more questions rather than just us telling you information. Kailangan hinahanap ninyo yung information.
Energy efficiency tips and practices that we have shared to you guys when you go home later. Okay?
We hope that this event continues to raise greater public awareness. Madaming opportunities sa energy transition natin. Let's be responsible users and know and save what matters.
What matters?